My menu actually changes every week. We're constantly trying to find trends. Now, with the power of online, people are being more informed. The cultural fusion, I think more people are getting more educated on other people's cultures.
There are so many spaces right now where like people are constantly like now looking for ethnic authenticity. And that's actually been a lot of fun. Like I've really been able to like find these different spaces where I can elevate my food.
That comfort food now is becoming so mainstream. People are craving that.
As we're seeing brown butter like taking off once again, I don't even think it's necessarily brown butter trending as much as it's slow food trending and like taking your time, caramelizing onions, making full stocks. Like I'm seeing a lot more home cooks post 2020 taking their time and really wanting to actually see the process of food.
The movement with plant-based kind of dining also, we're moving away from some of those heavier veal demis and we're moving toward a plant-based kind of sauce or components to it.
Well, that's the beauty of food is you can take something so simple, onions, perfect example. It's the way you treat it from start to finish, right?